an event that many Park County residents have never in their life seen before, the Yellowstone River flowing high and dangerous.
It's a matter of life and death.
As water from the Yellowstone River rose, residents looked in awe.
You know, so it's kind of scary, so we thought we'd come out here and work a little safer.
Word had come downstream that the Carpella Bridge had collapsed. This video was taken earlier as the Yellowstone ripped it from its pilings and sent it down the river. Christine and Dave Jupe jumped into action to keep motorists from getting stranded as the water crept up.
People are out here trying to stop other people from going across that water. It's dangerous until somebody else got here.
Residents say it's unlike anything they've seen before.
I've seen it pretty high a few times, and some of these cabins have been in trouble, but not like, you know, like that, you know.
Sad. I had tears, so.
It's sad, it's alarming.
Former firefighter Dean Graham jumped into action Monday as he had a unique perspective from the floods from above from the Carpella Bridge.
So this morning, I went to go obviously check out the river to see how flooded it had got overnight.
As he was in the air and surveyed the destruction,
what we were really looking for was possibly, you know, people that could be endangered.
for him, helping out is secondhand nature.
Well, you know, I always like to give back to the community, be the good guy, but I flew for the fire department on Maui. You know, it's just like instinct to do my job.
He understands that no matter how beautiful Paradise Valley is, nature is a force to be reckoned with.
They don't call it paradise for nothing. It is really a paradise, but it's a very harsh environment.
In Park County, Edgar Cedillo, MTN News.